Seafoods LLC, doing business as Legal Seafoods, Charlotte Wartanen, manager, holder of an all-alcoholic beverages restaurant license at 5 Cambridge Center, has applied for a change of manager to William P. McAllister.
Good evening, members of the board. Richard Heller,
William McAllister.
Please have a seat. Good evening. Do you need the record, their names spelled?
When they go on, Chair, I would like them to spell it, yes.
So again, if you could please state your name for the record, spelling your first name and last name, please.
Richard Heller, R-I-C-H-A-R-D-H-E-L-L-E-R, Senior Vice President, General Counsel for Legal Seafoods.
William P. McAllister, W-I-L-L-I-M-P-M-C-A-L-L-I-S-T-E-R, manager, Kendall Square.
You may proceed.
I'm just here for approval for William McAllister as the manager of record on the liquor license of the Kendall Square restaurant.
Mr. McAllister, can you tell us a little bit about your background, please?
I've worked with the company for 38 years, starting off from parking cars in Inman Square, working my way up through bartending, running the bar, and then finally converted myself into a manager.
You've been around for a little while.
I've been around since Inman Square, yes.
A little bit of institutional knowledge.
And when did you assume the position of manager?
I became a manager late October.
And where were you at prior to coming to Kendall Square?
I've been at Kendall Square for roughly 30 years, give or take, since it pretty much opened up. Before that, it was at Park Square and Inman Square. When Kendall Square was down for renovation, I was also at the airport and Peabody.
Various locations. And you've completed, was that a 21 proof
Yes, ma'am.
training? Perfect. Any questions?
Have you ever held a license to your name before?
Sorry?
Have you ever held a license to your name before?
No, sir.
Have you ever served as a manager in name?
No, sir.
So this is your first experience?
Yes, sir.
Talk about your duties a little bit in terms of your connection with the alcohol leading up to your position as manager, just to kind of give us some sense of...
Before I became
Yes.
I ran the bar at Kendall Square. My
Okay.
duties included inventory, making sure that all bartenders were in compliance with all our recipes for drinks. I was also in charge of inventory purchasing of wine, beer, and alcohol as well.
How long were you operating the bar?
Pretty much for almost to the time right now. Before that, about 30 years total.
Okay. No other questions?
So,
Are there any members of the public that wish to be heard in this matter? Seeing none, I make a motion that we approve the change of manager to William P. McAllister at Legal Seafood LLC, doing business as Legal Seafood at 5 Kendall Center. Is there a second?
second.
All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All set?
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.